Welcome everyone to Barrett Realty's 52 weeks of promoting people and places. This week, Inlanta Mortgage, located at 1605 Main Street, Suite 606 in Sarasota, Florida. Today, Tony Barrett, owner-broker of Barrett Realty, will be interviewing Rob Stettler and David McLaughlin. Let's take a look.
Hi, it's Tony Barrett with Barrett Realty, and today we're in the office of Inlanta Mortgage, downtown Sarasota, and we're promoting 52 weeks of people and places. And today we're with Rob and Diamond Dave with Inlanta Mortgage, and we're just going to ask them a few questions about their business and try to get to know them a little bit better. And so thanks guys for having us in for the interview.
Thank you. Thank you.
Appreciate it. So just tell us a little bit about Inlanta Mortgage and how it got started and how you guys came together.
So Inlanta Mortgage was founded in 1993 in Brookfield, Wisconsin, and they have branches around the United States. And in 2014, Rob Stettler and I were working together at Wells Fargo, where we were the #1 team in the state of Florida, #9 nationwide. But we felt we needed a little bit more control. We wanted 100% control of the process, to kind of be like a speedboat in today's market, to deliver on time and quality service. So Rob Stettler reached out through his contacts, and we found Inlanta Mortgage.
Very nice, very nice. And so Rob, you've been in the mortgage business for
too many years. Yeah, about 20, what would be 23 years.
23 years.
Yep.
That's some time.
Yep.
And you're not tired of it yet?
No, always something new, you know,
Yeah.
always something exciting. Yep.
Yeah, very
Yep,
good.
every file's different.
What sets you guys apart from other mortgage companies?
All mortgage products now are the same. You know, whether you're doing like a conventional loan, FHA, VA, like back in the day, you used to have all these different types of products. Right now the products are pretty much the same no matter where you go. So it's service, you know, one of those things. You know, days here, you know, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock at night, the phone's still ringing, you know, taking applications, doing this. We work around people's schedules, you know. A lot of people, they have their job 8:30 to 5, working in a factory, working at a bank, doing this and that. They don't have time, they don't have a half an hour or an hour during the day, you know, so we'll meet with them in the evening, go out to their houses, do whatever it takes to get the loan done, you know, drive anywhere, stay anytime, you know, whatever, like accommodating.
Yeah, I know it's important to
yeah.
me to be in the real estate business and to be able to call somebody and to be able to put my eyes on them and talk to them about what's going on with the mortgages.
Mhm.
And it's always good to know that Dave will pick up the phone any time of day.
Yeah.
And if not, he'll call you right back immediately. So.
And it's like, yeah, and then the people are involved too. You know, I think like a lot of people, it's just about the money or just about a unit or closing it, you know, but it's people, you know, buying their house, you know, whether it's a person buying $1 million house, a person buying an $80,000 house, you know, it's just as important, no matter what size it is, it's a person buying their house, you know, and it's their dream to, you know, and I don't want to be the guy who ruins that.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Yeah.
So you've been in the real estate business. You were a realtor at one time and you transitioned over into the mortgage business. So tell me about that transition and how that worked out for you.
So Rob Stettler was my college roommate. A lot of people don't realize that. So we met in 1991 at Temple University. So as a realtor, 17 years, I built my business kind of like you, Tony, on education, one client at a time. So as a realtor, I became a broker like you. So I had a broker's license. I'm a certified residential specialist, accredited buyer representation, GRI, Graduate Real Estate Institute. So I believe in education. So I kind of transitioned into mortgage with Rob, and I felt with his financial background and my people skills, together we could form a great team and service the realtors like you the best we can. And that's why I got into mortgage.
So you guys were in college together. What college did you go to?
Temple.
Temple.
Philadelphia.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Did you play sports or?
Dave did, like, you know, I played like the high school sports, nothing like in college, and then, Dave.
Yeah, so I went there. I was born in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and had a scholarship to go to Temple and kick footballs. So I was a field goal kicker.
Oh, yeah.
And then Rob and I, you know, ended up, you know, happenstance, he was good friends with my brother, who followed me to Temple University. And I met Rob, and we stayed close ever since. So when he asked me if I wanted to transition into mortgage, it was just a natural flow. It was a good fit.
Rob, what kind of hobbies do you have?
Personally, I like skiing, you know, snow skiing, running, and horse races.
Horse races.
Yep.
Do you own any horses?
Yeah, right now I have 2 horses.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Where do you keep them?
One's in Ocala, is a baby horse. You know, it's 2 years old. It's getting ready to get shipped down to Miami, and then another one's in Miami already at the racetrack. So, yeah.
Right. Very cool.
Yeah.
What about you, Dave? You got hobbies?
My children, so my son, goes to IMG and plays soccer, so I'm always seems to be on the field. I used to coach. I love coaching. Right now I'm on a pretty good high, so a lot of the boys I used to coach in youth soccer just made it for Lakewood Ranch High School. They made it to the state championships, so I'm proud to see their accomplishments. And then skiing, he's got me skiing now, so
wow.
so now I like to ski as well.
Well, let's talk about a little bit about the mortgage process, and what are some of the things that you would need to do to be prepared to buy a home as far as getting ready to get a mortgage?
Good question. That's why I like working with you, Tony. We talked about the education part, but it's pretty simple. 2 bank statements, all pages, 2 W-2s, 2015, 2016 W-2, and then your last 30 pay stubs, last 30 days worth of pay stubs. So if we had that, then we could, give them a good idea what they need to do to get into that house.
Very nice. What kind of interest rates are you guys seeing right now?
Yeah, a 30-year fixed, depending on like the loan product, anywhere between like 3.75 and 4.25, depending on credit scores and programs.
Still very low, considering.
Yeah, still very low.
Yeah.
Yep.
So I would say that right now is a really good
Oh,
opportunity to buy.
Yep.
Because we don't know what the future holds for us as far as interest rates.
Yeah, always, rates can't go down much, even, back at the low point, it was like 3.75, 3.5, rates couldn't get much, they can't get much lower, because there's like servicing costs, things like that, so they really have nowhere to go but up, for the most part. So yeah, it's great time, great time to borrow.
Well, I tell you what, this has been a great interview, and these guys are real people sitting in front of me. You can get a hold of them anytime. They'll take care of all your needs, and they know the business. So that's why we should shop local. That's why we should, look to Dave for your mortgage needs. And so, how do we get a hold of you guys?
And so my number, and I like what you said, so we're local, we live local, and what that means is we do everything here in Sarasota, in Bradenton. We don't ship it off anywhere else, so we're in 100% total control. You can reach me anytime on my mobile phone, 941-724-7653, and you can call or text anytime.
Very good.
Office lines 941-315-9807, and my cell phone's 813-748-1534.
All right.
We're basically always open.
Very
7
good.
days a week, somebody needs something, have a quick question, anything like that, feel free to call anytime.
Very good. Well, guys, thank you so much for sitting down with Barrett Realty today and 52 weeks of promoting people in places.
Thank you. Great stuff.
All right. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.